Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with MassMutual for policy servicing authorization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with MassMutual for policy servicing, you'll need to gather your necessary information. First, visit the official MassMutual website. Locate the login section, typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Authorize Policy Servicing. Click on this option to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to provide details regarding the policy you wish to service. Fill in the required fields, including your policy number and personal identification information. Next, review the terms and conditions related to policy servicing authorization. If you agree, proceed by checking the acknowledgement box. After this, submit your authorization request. You should receive a confirmation notification once your request is processed. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up messages from MassMutual. If further information is needed, have your documents ready to upload. Once authorized, you can manage your policy and request servicing as needed. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the available options for policy management. This will help streamline your experience with MassMutual. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to customer support. They can provide assistance and answer any questions you may have. With these steps, you are now ready to authorize with MassMutual for policy servicing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.